Hi everyone, today I would like to introduce to you the Sperti Vitamin D Sunlamp and do a little unboxing video with you. So a vitamin D lamp isn't quite the same as a tanning lamp. This one won't necessarily give you a tan, but rather it'll help you increase your vitamin D levels, which is particularly great for those who can't digest oral supplements or for those who live in really low sunlight settings. So the first thing I'm pulling out of this bag, this is the instruction manual right here. This also has 2 sets of goggles, which is incredibly important, and our power cord. So here is the user manual. This also comes with a warranty with your purchase as well. Here are both sets of protective eyewear and our power cord. And here it is. This is the Sperti Vitamin D Sunlamp. It still has some of its packaging on it, but I just wanted to show you just to show how nicely packaged and carefully it was put together. And there we have it. This is the Sperti Vitamin D Sunlamp, and I'm so excited to start using this in the wintertime when the sun likes to hide out behind all of those snow clouds. It's the perfect medium size that I can put literally in any room of my house, so I can use it conveniently and comfortably in my own home. And as you can see on top right here, it has a handle so I can easily transport it with no problems whatsoever. Here on the bottom, there are little feet so I can put it on any countertop or surface, and I don't have to worry about it slipping or moving around. What's great about this is also FDA cleared, so I can assure that it is safe for in-home use. This vitamin D sun lamp is so effective, there are clinical trials that show a person's vitamin D levels raise on average about 10 points in over 4 weeks from using this. Now, I think that is pretty fantastic, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how this works. All right, so the first thing we'll do is we'll go ahead and plug in the power cord both to the vitamin D sun lamp and to an outlet. This end of the power cord that plugs into the sun lamp goes right here at the bottom behind it. There we go. So it is recommended to use for about 5 minutes a day, every other day for the best results. Now I'm also going to go ahead and put on these protective goggles that comes with it as well, so I can protect my eyes when I turn the light on. Now we have our protective eyewear on, and there is a dial on this sun lamp for about 1 to 5 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and put it on just for 1 minute just to show you what the light looks like when it's on. So this little dial right here, we will turn it so the timer turns on and then hit this on switch. And there is the vitamin D light. This is so nicely bright and actually has kind of a green hue because these goggles are a little green. But yeah, so that is the Sperti Vitamin D Sun Lamp. The light will stay on for as long as the timer is, and once it is done, it will ding and the light will automatically turn off. This is a great way to get additional vitamin D without having to take any oral supplements in the comfort of your own home with this Sperti Vitamin D Sun Lamp.